He brought the sandwich before the king, and it was glorious. It would grant him eternal life, so he could rule his kingdom forever. It was also delicious.
Delicious?
One night, the prince betrayed the king and tried to steal the sandwich. The old king was heartbroken. He realized the sandwich was too powerful. It had to be destroyed, so the ingredients were hidden away in the far corners of the world, watched by the fierce sandwich guardians. Legend says it can be reforged if all the ingredients are brought together.
We got to get that sandwich.
Oh, man, I want to eat it twice.
The sandwich will look beautiful in my hair.
No way can it top my sandwich science. What are we waiting for? Titans, go!
Finally.
We have to get the candy keys from Gumdrop Goblin, or we'll never make it to Princess Puffball's birthday party.
Hey, Raven.
I thought you were making a sandwich.
We have no idea where to look.
There are 4 ingredients. The mystical bacon is here, on the lava lake.
I got the heat resistance, baby. I'm on it.
The next ingredient is the king's lettuce, buried deep underground.
I can dig it.
The next ingredient is the stellar tomato, hidden among the stars.
I shall retrieve the tomato.
Okay, let's do this. I assume you saved the most dangerous ingredient for the leader of the Titans.
Oh yes, the last ingredient is pretzel bread. It can be found at the supermarket. Here's a coupon.
With the candy keys, we'll be able to make Princess Puffball's birthday where all dreams come true.
You rock, Butterbean.